The Enchanted Forest. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a forest that was unlike any other. It was called the Enchanted Forest. The trees in this forest were taller than any building, and their leaves shimmered with a magical glow. The flowers were as bright as the sun, and the grass was as soft as velvet. Deep within the enchanted forest lived a wise old owl named Oliver. Oliver was the guardian of the forest and knew all its secrets. He had lived in the forest for centuries and had seen many things. One day, a young girl named Anya got lost in the forest. She had been playing hide and seek with her friends when she wandered too far off the path. Anya was scared and alone, but she knew she had to be brave. She called out for help. There was no answer, just as she was about to give up hope. She heard a soft hoot. It was Oliver the owl. Oliver flew down from a tall oak tree and landed on Anya's shoulder. Don't worry, little one. He hooted. I will help you find your way home. Oliver led Anya through the forest. They passed by a sparkling river, a field of glowing mushroom, and a grove of trees that played beautiful music. Anya was amazed by everything she saw. Finally, they came to a clearing. In the middle of the clearing was a small cottage. This is my home, Oliver said. You can rest here until I take you back to your friends. Anya thanked Oliver and followed him into the cottage. Inside the cottage was warm and cozy. There was a fireplace, a soft rug, and a table filled with books. Oliver told Anya stories about the forest and its creatures. Anya listened with wide eyes, fascinated by the magical world around her. After a while, Oliver took Anya back to the edge of the forest. She thanked him again for his help and promised to never wander off the path again. As Anya ran back to her friends, she looked back at the enchanted forest. She knew that she would never forget her adventure.